Are you ready to transform your projects into animations? Today, we're diving into 6 amazing AI animation tools that you won't believe are free or have free options. Whether you're making videos or experimenting with creative tech, these tools are super helpful. Let's get started. This is Adobe Express, and it has a lot of free tools. It also has a free trial if you want to try out their premium services. You can sign up for a free plan and try out some of the other tools in here. Background removers, design tools, social media posts, etc. You can also work with photos, documents, and more. The main thing I want to show you right now is their video options. You can trim, resize videos, merge, crop, convert, and more. You can also animate characters. In fact, this is the main feature that most people interested in making videos will get a lot of use out of. And it's free. You can easily animate characters for your videos. They have a lot of different ones to choose from here. Creatures, people, costumed characters, animals, and more. So, for example, we'll just go with this one for now. If you were to choose that particular character, you could resize it and put it anywhere on the page you wanted to. You can choose a background and move her around. Then you can choose the size depending on the format you need. Next, you can upload your own recording or record your own voice. Once you do all that you can, download the final product and use it wherever. It's a really cool tool. And best of all, it's totally free. I've made several in-depth videos all about this tool on my site, so if you want to learn more about how to use this software, go to my YouTube channel and check out some of those video tutorials now. This is one of my favorite AI sites that has a free option. This is Hedra. It takes images and voices and turns them into lip-synced videos, and it does a fantastic job. Let's watch this real quick, and I'll show you.
The most advanced character model in the world.
We now have more expressive faces.
They're available in all the aspect ratios you need
To tell your story. Free today at hedra.com.
It specializes in lip syncing. As you can see, the process is pretty simple. We'll go back here. So, you can upload your picture or work from a text prompt if you wanted. Once you have that uploaded, then you'll add your audio. You can import your audio, or you can type it here and let Hedra read it for you, your choice, and it'll put it all together and make your short video. Basically, if you want really incredible lip syncing with AI-generated avatars, Hedra is the place to come. Now I'm inside Hedra. It walks you through the steps to make your character talk. I'll upload a picture there. To add my audio narration, let's upload this. I'll drag and drop my voice here. Okay, so now we've got our image and the voice. Now let's put them together. Okay, it's processing. Now it's completed, so we'll click here. It's pretty amazing. Now you can share it, or you can just download it and put it on your website or wherever. It will have a watermark using the free plan. You can upgrade to a paid plan, and here are the prices for you. But for $10 a month, if you're making a lot of these videos, that's a really good price. This is hedra.com, and have a really fun time making your still images come to life.
Okay, no pressure. Just hitting all the notes perfectly on the first try, right?
ElevenLabs is one tool I use daily. It also offers a free plan. Let me show you real quick. If you come here, you'll see it does have a free option. but commercial access is not included on the free plan. But if you want to try it and learn the software, this is a good place to start. Once you get past that, you can use the $5 a month plan, and that's practically free. For everything that you get, this is an excellent price. This is where you can create realistic speech for your projects. I use this all the time. I'll log in my account and I will show you around in here, really fast. This is some text here for a project I made the other day. You can see I've chosen my voice for it. If you need to choose voices, you can look in here and you can see all sorts of voices. If you want to hear any of them, you just click on the triangle to listen to them and see what they sound like. This is where you enter your text to be read. Then you can click here to generate the narration. You can download it once you're done. There's a lot of other things you can do in here too. The best part about it is that they do offer a free plan. So if you want to try it out, come here, get started, play with it a bit, and learn more about this amazing text-to-speech software. This is CapCut, a free video editor you can use to create all sorts of videos. They have thousands of templates if you want to use them. There's a lot in here. The video editor is the main thing I use it for, but there are a lot of other tools in here you can use too. Go to New Video, click on that, and it'll open up a brand new area. Now you'll have the opportunity to upload your files and get started making a video. They have stickers, audio files, music, and text options. You can also add captions. There's all kinds of effects in here to add to your videos. Transitions, there's lots and lots to choose from. It'd take a long time to go through all of this, but since this is only an introductory video, I mainly wanted to show you what's inside. But this is CapCut, and it is a wonderful place to do video editing. Best of all, it is completely free, so come here, try it out, and I think you'll have a really good time learning how to use it. This is Immersity, and it has some really cool capabilities. As you can see, the images are moving. They offer several tools. The unique thing about them is their amazing motion, almost a rocking effect. You can add this effect to your own images. It's really amazing. Sign in to get started. Let me show you around. This is an image that I had worked with previously. This was a still image that I'd created in an AI art generator. They do have a free option and a few different paid plans. As you can see right now, it does have watermarks on it. So if you're using the free plan, it will have the watermark. Here's the pricing. So, depending on what plan, these credits can go a long ways. If you want to try it, you can for free. If you upload something, it's pretty fast. Basically, it will make your image look more 3D-like. There is my image. I can choose what animation style I want. Loop, reverse, up and down, side to side. You can also choose the amount of motion and make it faster or slow it down. I usually keep it a little bit slower. You can change your animation length and focus point. A lot of this stuff I usually don't mess with. Once you've got it all set up, you can export it. I have a paid plan, so if I wanted to export this, I could. I just click Export here and choose MP4, GIF, PNG, etc. If you use the paid plan, you can get a much higher resolution as well as multiple repetitions, so I could make it a lot longer. You can choose to repeat the animation. It's going to give me 10 loops, so now it's 1.5 minutes long, so that's really nice. It makes incredible imagery that is unlike anything else I've seen online. So give it a try today and see what you think. Now we're inside Canva. And yes, Canva does have a free option. When it comes to video editing and animation, you can do a lot of things in here on the free plan. And here are their pricing plans. So you see there is a free plan. All you have to do is click here to get started. There's a lot of things included with a free membership. But if you wanted to upgrade to the Pro plan, there are a lot more tools and capabilities included. Most people will use one of these two options. If you can afford it, it's basically around $10 a month for a yearly plan. There's so many apps and all kinds of tools to make your life so simple. Best of all, you don't have to go all over the web looking for this or that. When it comes to animation, Canva's excellent. You can either go to YouTube video here or choose video here. Take your pick. So let's do this. I'll click on YouTube videos. It'll open up a new page. There are a lot of different options inside this video editor. It's pretty powerful, especially if you're using the free option, and it has many more features in the paid plan. You can use all sorts of pre-done templates in here. If you go to Elements, you'll find art, audio, videos, and more. You can generate images. There's loads of graphics, photos, frames, mock-ups. There's just a lot of things inside the Elements section. Text is another thing you can do so much with. You can draw. There are all kinds of project types you can work with. There are thousands of apps in here to use too. If you're wanting to make videos, this is a great place to come, especially for beginners. Let's make something just real quick so you can see. So I'll go to Elements and search for a bicycle. You could look in graphics or photos. I'll choose this guy here, this guy's already moving. Now let's find a background. Let's choose a city park. Now choose one of these. If you see something with the crown, that means it's a paid option, so don't use that if you're on the free plan. For now, let's add this one and resize it. Go to Position, Layers, then pull this down so now it's behind the bicycle rider. For now, I'll click on Animate then on the B, and I'll take this guy and drag him across. Just like that, and now you have your first animated video. If you wanted to, you could choose the movement and the speed too. When you're finished, just click Done. Now let's watch it. Take it back to the beginning. And that's how easy it is. So if you want to create animations, you can do all that inside Canva. Better yet, upload your own stuff. Now you've got something completely unique. But this is Canva's video editor, and it is one of the best video tools there are, especially when you consider that you can also use it for free. It's a good place to start if you've never done any animation before, and a great place to learn.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.